Hi everybody, I'm Kylie, and for my math center, we will be doing fall fun skip counting. This is for a second grade class, topic skip counting. So what is skip counting? Skip counting means counting forwards or backwards by a number other than 1. It helps students understand number patterns and prepares them for multiplication. And our Common Core standards will be our first one, would be counting within 1,000, skip count by fives, tens, and hundreds. And our second is to determine whether a group of objects up to 100 has an even or odd set of numbers. Our first activity will be pumpkin patch counting, which I had gotten these ideas because it is fall right now. So students will pick pumpkin cards labeled with numbers and fill in missing pumpkins in a number line by skip counting. We will be using laminated pumpkin cards and a number line chart. Our goal is to practice skip counting by 2s, 5s, and 10s to help give the kids more of a fun process and a theme during their math lesson. Our activity 2 will be our fall leaf hop game. We are going to place large paper leaves on the floor with numbers written on them. Students will hop to every second, fifth, or 10th leaf while saying the numbers aloud. So if we're doing the 2s, we'll be 2, 4, 6, or if we're doing the 5s, we'll skip to 5, 10, 15. And this will encourage our kids' physical activity and their math fluency as they will have a great time doing this. Our activity number 3 are scarecrow patterns. So students will create skip counting chains using paper links or beads, and I would like to use paper links in this process, and I think we are going to do orange and black and fun fall colors for this activity. They record their number patterns on a worksheet and incorporate fine motor skills and pattern recognition so they can make fun things to maybe decorate in their house and to show their parents as an art and craft, but it gives them the same math fluency. Our activity 4, skip counting song. Students sing skip counting songs to the tune of a familiar melody. Example, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. How about 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14? Fun things like that. This is a cross-curricular connection with music and language arts. It will help them with their memorization, and we have a fun counting song connected to that. And for our cross-curricular connections, we have art by decorative pumpkins or leaves with skip counting numbers. We have music, the rhythm and repetition through skip counting songs, which helps with their memorization, and their physical education, movement in the leaf hop game, which gets them to move consistently and to be able to have a good time while learning, and it gets their fine motor skills running and it gets their brain running. It's almost as if I'm in a class and I'm giving them a brain break off of YouTube, but instead we can use it to learn, like using a math one. And for another example, the YouTube link I put in our song, that was a Halloween one, so that could get the kids' brain going and ready for math. And the use of our manipulatives. We have the number cards, we have the counters, we have the beads or paper links. In our example, we will be using those paper links. We have our number lines and we have floor leaves. These hands-on tools help students visualize and physically engage with skip counting, which is what we want them to do and have a great time while doing it. And my assessment strategies that I had come up with were for our observation checklist during activities and exit tickets just to know that they're understanding, or maybe even a mini quiz. But for our rubric, we will score in 4 different ways. So our highest will be 4, then 3, 2, and 1. And these give us more of an idea to give parents and show them where their child is at in this learning experience, because we want them to fully develop what we're learning today. And that is what we are all going to learn today, guys. Thank you for listening to this presentation.